Okay, quick video of the day. We've got several computers in here already. This is a really common spyware pop-up. So it looks official, right? Because it's got like a QR code over there or whatever that thing is. It's got something else here. It's got an important phone number. It's got things. It's got the word Windows in there. So it must be official. Well, this is a complete scam and it's very common on computers. A lot of times they'll make it full screen so there's no X in the corner. So like you can't even close the screen. But you got to look closely. First, it's not Microsoft. If you look at that word right there, that is fiance track, not finance track, fiance track. Don't know what kind of track that is, but access to this computer, which is in capital letters, computers in capital, everything else is lowercase. You could Google that phone number, 844-562, and find out it's not Microsoft, okay? And here's another Microsoft support number. That's not Microsoft. So they want you to call there. Look, there's another Microsoft number. To start with, Microsoft is not that friendly. They don't give out their phone number. You have to really search to find the right number. So this is obviously not Microsoft. Sometimes you could just close the screen. So let me try that. If there's an X, sometimes you can close the screen, you're done. We suggest running a program called Malwarebytes. Can't even find it with all of our icons here. And see if that'll get it off. Or you could bring it in and we'll help you take care of it.